Hey everyone, welcome to Joystick Lab. In this channel, we talk about computer science, AR, VR, game development, and AI technologies. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell for future updates. In Unity, you can lock a inspector by clicking this small lock icon in the inspector. So if I lock a inspector, that will mean that I can only see that game object's property in the inspector. No matter which other game object I select, you can see I cannot see their property in the inspector. Now this feature may come handy when we want to assign multiple game objects in an array. So for example, we have a gun database. So I'm going to add a few objects in here, 10. And then if we had to, select all these game objects and drag them in an array, we cannot do that. The inspector is getting changed. So what we can do instead, there is two solutions. Obviously, we can drag them one by one, but that is really boring, annoying, and error prone. So what else we can do is lock this gun database game object in the inspector, and I'm going to set the objects to 0, select all these images that I want to assign to the array, and drag and drop this in here. That will help us to assign all these elements in the array without dragging and dropping them one by one.